First time we receive the machine, we need to install the sliding tables. And it got this installation positions to slightly move the machine and let this stop to against this screw. We already make it a good alignment, so just let it against the screw and then put the screw from the bottom. There is another one, and third one is on that side. We install the second one. We can slide the table one side. We install the screw. And then sliding back the tables. To install from the cabinet. And after the screw initially fixed, we push it to against the alignment, the alignment screw, and then tighten it from the bottom. So if the machine some problem happen and it's not parallel with the blade, we can use the meter on this sliding table so it's against the blade to adjust this screw a little bit to make a micro adjustment of the tables.